Hey guys, sorry for not uploading for the past 3 days or so. I had a commitment that kind of ran through the weekend starting on Friday, and which I knew going into it, but just had difficulty juggling that and uploading videos. So the plan is moving forward to upload twice a day starting today until I catch up to where I should be. Yeah, so let's get right into ODAN. This is week 2 of ODAN, orienting the day, anchoring the night. This past week really kind of dropped the ball. I think there are a lot of things that kind of happened outside of my control that I just let phase me and impact how much I was willing to adhere to schedule. So I think I only filled out my orient the day morning routine once, and I ran once this past week in the morning. Went to the gym maybe twice, 2 or 3 times last week, and just all in all felt kind of just kind of like, when you're not sick but you feel under the weather, like lethargic, fatigued, that kind of thing. And it's for my first time feeling that in a while. So I guess I wasn't as proactive as I should have been, and I wasn't as diligent in maintaining my routines. So that kind of frames the entire week. So if I only did the orient the day logs one time last week. I didn't even do the anchor the night logs at all for that week. So this is going to be kind of a gray area for me looking back. And I didn't do the weekly assessment either, which I will be sure to do this week, which started today. And yeah, so I think maybe it would be productive just to get into what was going on and where my head was at and how I plan to do better and be more consistent, right? So I think the first thing that kind of threw things out of whack was the gym getting closed for the week. So the gym that's closest to me, that's most convenient, that's like 5-minute walk, was closed for the whole week, and that kind of threw me for a little bit. That and so then I could have planned a body weight routine. Do some kind of push up, squat circuit thing, handstand. I could have gotten creative. Like, there was definitely ways that I could have navigated that obstacle, and I fell back to being lazy, which I think is a pattern that I'm noticing. But I think the first step is becoming aware of the pattern, and then when you're in the pattern, staying present, and not allowing yourself to distract yourself. Because I'm really good at, when I know that I'm doing something or I'm not doing something I should be doing, instead of just kind of sitting there in the boredom until I get it done, I'm very good at distracting myself. So I'll, go down some rabbit hole, read, play a video game, just kind of distract my mind from the task that I should be completing. And I didn't always know that's what I was doing. I kind of was just operating on autopilot. But now that I've been focusing on being intentional, I can recognize when that's happening. And so the next step is, forcing myself to sit in the boredom and, you know, remember that I'm not a slave to my body and my emotions and my feelings, right? Like, my mind should be the captain of this ship. My ego should be what's making every decision in my life, and I shouldn't just be kind of, especially like in these years where I'm healthy, mentally, physically, very capable, I shouldn't be kind of squandering this time. So gonna keep that. Gonna focus on gratitude, being grateful for my circumstances, for everything kind of going on around me, and hopefully that mental framework will help me stick to things a little bit more. And then also, I think I really just needed to sack up and not use small things that are outside of my control and allow them to dictate my engagement with all the other deliverables that I have to get done. So yeah, so that's it for ODAN. Thanks for tuning in. Apologies again for this little hiccup, but we're gonna keep on schmooving and grooving. Stay tuned. I'll have another video uploaded tonight, and stay juicy.